So you must be wondering where we are heading to. We are going to a very important place. Let's see what it is. Today we have come to the house which you have not seen earlier in my videos. We got this house in Bangalore in 2013 with the help of my parents-in-law just after our wedding. Though the plan was to stay here, but we could not. Jobs kept moving us to different cities. All this while, this house remained on rent for some time and empty for the rest. Even when we moved back to the same city, we could not shift here. Our need was to stay in proximate location to the current workplace, especially for my husband, and this house was not. For personal reasons, a need has arisen to refurbish this house. And while we do that in real, we will keep you updated about it in the upcoming videos. Turning any house into home demands dedication of thoughts, time, efforts and money. It is the process to inject life into the walls of bricks. Slowly as we stay there, the home becomes direct extension to our physical body and thoughts. Setting up a new house can be daunting, especially for the beginners. Job, marriage, study, family, whatever may be the reason, it can be confusing where to start and what to buy. In today's video, let me show you where we can start when we begin to set up a new house from scratch. It begins with the assumption that we have finalized the place to move in. If you need ideas or tips on the points to keep in mind while finalizing a house, please do look at this video which we have made earlier. Now let's begin. Once you finalize the house, always check the electrical and plumbing fittings first. Check whether all the lights and fans are working or not. If something is not working, make a note of it. Go to all the rooms and check the plug sockets one by one by plugging in the charger with phone. Same way, check all the taps, flushes in the bathroom, toilet jets, etc. It is very frustrating if anything is leaking or not working after shifting to the house. Keep making the notes so that when plumber and electrician is called, you have the list ready for the work to be done. By making the list, nothing will be missed. If you're moving in as a tenant, do take the pictures of broken or cracked furniture. Do take the snap of any damages on walls or fixtures. Don't forget to email those pictures to the house owner. This will prevent unnecessary disagreements at the time when you vacate the house. If there are any missing electrical fittings like bulbs, tubes, plugs, etc., then do inform the house owner in writing or email. Try to get the house deep cleaned before shifting. If you are planning to clean it by yourself, then get some cleaning supplies for a thorough cleaning. Along with regular broom and mop, get few other items such as plastic broom, cleaning gloves, microfiber mitten and clothes, squeegee, brush, scrub pads and sponges, Drainix for clogged drains, Flushmatic for toilets, hand wash, toilet brush, toilet cleaner, dish liquid, detergent, floor cleaner, mosquito and cockroach spray and a spray bottle. Also carry few old newspapers, garbage bags, garbage bins and cleaning clothes. Follow the cleaning philosophy top to bottom. Start from the top. Clean tubes, fans, top of the cupboard. If you have a vacuum cleaner, it will be easy to do the dusting. Clean windows, Lot of dust can be there on curtain rods, sliding track and mosquito mesh. Clean the spider nets, corners and baseboards where lot of dust get accumulated. When cleaning the cupboards, start from the top and first clean with the regular cleaner and then wipe with the disinfectant. This is a very important step which should not be missed. It will sanitize the area and kill all the germs, making it safe to keep your stuff. Once dusting is done and cupboards are clean, then do the sweeping thoroughly. Mop the floor using a good cleaner and disinfectant. Shifting and setting up a house is time-consuming and tiring as well. It may take several days or weeks to complete depending upon how much time one can dedicate on a daily basis. But to jumpstart your stay, I would suggest you to set up your kitchen, one bedroom and one bathroom first. Don't think about perfect organization at this point of time, but just make these three areas functional so that you can start living and most importantly can take rest when you get tired. If you have furniture and other belongings, then well and good, but if you need time to buy these items, then do research to buy quality and affordable stuff. For the immediate requirement in the bedroom, you need just a few important items to get you going. Get some curtains to cover windows. Get couple of these cotton fill mattresses which you can find easily at very reasonable cost. Just spread a bed sheet and place pillows and your bed is ready. Also keep a dohar or quilt to keep yourself warm. This immediately sets up the place for rest when we get tired while setting up the house. Next important place you should consider setting up is your kitchen. Get an electric kettle to make instant Maggi, tea, coffee and hot water. Very useful for parents of infants and small kids. Also get an induction and induction friendly utensils to jumpstart so that you can cook basic food easily till the time you book a new cylinder and buy a cooktop. This will help you making your kitchen operational. You can start making light meals and avoid ordering outside food. And great for people who do not want to miss their cup of masala tea. It will help keeping you fresh while setting up the house. As you will be busy setting up the house, you may not be able to make proper lavish meals. So get some quick meal items such as eggs and breads, cereals, Maggi, jam, Nutella, poha to make dahi chuda, and few other packet snacks. Tools and essentials which you can start with are few plates, bowls, this kind of section plates, glasses, spoons, knives, spatulas, tea strainer and chopping board. Look for a local store nearby like D-Mart for affordable and pocket-friendly products. The third most important place which needs to be ready is your bathroom. So you need your basic daily grooming items and toiletries such as face wash, body lotion, bath soap, shampoo, dental supplies, shaving kit, coconut oil and deo. Also get a pain relief spray in case you get tired and have muscle pain. It will help you to get some relief. To set up the bathroom, you need a bath towel, hand towel, a bucket with mug, shower supplies, hand wash and dental supplies. Lot of people can't take leave from office for shifting, and for those it is very important that these three areas are ready. Other areas can be organized slowly or on weekends, and you can start furbishing your house by buying items one by one. Two appliances which you should consider buying first on priority are fridge and washing machine. Better to buy it before shifting and get it delivered directly to the new place. Washing machine because one needs fresh clothes every day and hand washing may not be possible at this busy time. Fridge to store your vegetable and fruits, milk and other food items which may have chances to get spoiled, especially in summers. To begin with, we also bought these two appliances first to get us going. I will make unboxing and demo videos of these appliances in the coming weeks. We will also start making the videos of individual rooms and kitchen as soon as I start furbishing them. The furnishing and theme would be renter friendly. Do comment and let me know on what renter friendly topics you want me to make videos. If you need help with your shifting, we have a dedicated video on 30 tips of shifting the house. Do have a look at it. You can find the link in the description box. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.
तो आप क्यों खा रही हैं पतीले में? बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लग गई है क्या?
बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लग गई है। इंडक्शन जो है मतलब लाइट चली है तो अब इंडक्शन में कुछ बन नहीं सकता, तो जो बची उसी में आई है मैंने पतीले में खा के खत्म कर दी है। ये भी खा ये गीला कैसे हो गया लड्डू? ये बैग, ये इसमें तुम्हारा फैन भी है।